So, there you have it mga labs. Our pork shoulder with Coke and pineapple juice is ready to serve. Ayan, but this time we added some potatoes and bell peppers. Ayan po mga kaibigan, ang sarap po nito. Yummy! Ayan. Yum, yum, yum. Super tender, no? After we cook for 2 hours. Actually, 1.5 hours. But we simmer for, before we cook, we boil this for 30 minutes. Now, this is super duper yummy na. And super tender. Full of the bone na mga kaibigan, no? My gosh, this is really, really good. Alright, so hanggang dito na lang mga kaibigan. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video, guys. God bless and stay safe, everyone.